Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So, this is going to be the first of a series of videos that I'm recording today, because I have a really long work week ahead of me starting tomorrow. And this is stuff that that I thought I was going to be recording tomorrow, if that makes sense. Basically, I was notified last minute I had overtime on another shift. Anyway, but I have some great stuff to share. Today is going to be a 5D diamond painting from Victoria's Moon, and they reached out to me, and we're going to do a little unboxing and share my initial opinions when I have more time. So hopefully maybe next weekend, maybe we'll do like an actual, like a little bit of craft with me. We'll see how that goes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, I want to apologize to anyone who was experiencing some issues last night. Apparently, after my video posted, everything started to freeze. I have no idea why. I'm assuming it's something that happened on YouTube, because now it's all running like it's supposed to. For those of you who reached out to me, thank you. It ended up doing the same thing to me, but when it posted, everything was running fine. So I don't quite know what's going on. I'm waiting to hear back from YouTube on that. So let's see. They reached out to me about a month or so, actually I'd say about 2 months ago, and I'm not sure what 5D diamond painting is, but we're gonna take a look. I've done, as y'all know, I've done a little bit of diamond painting, but they let me pick out my image. They sent everything in this really sturdy box. I was brave and went with a large image. So, oh, wow, okay. Hold on, I'll show you in just a second. Everything that is needed for the diamond painting is included. So as you can tell, it's a big image. I think this one is a cat on a bookcase. I was actually had a couple companies reach out to me, and I can't remember which one I picked with each company. So we're going to start off with the drills. This is my first time. Sorry for all the crackling of the plastic. I know some of y'all love it, some of y'all don't. So we'll just pour some of these out. I went this time with square drills. So we're going to see how it turns out. I've had quite a few people tell me that they really like doing the diamond paintings with the square instead of the round. And so I thought I would give it a try. It looks like that these have a little more depth to them, so maybe that's why they call it 5D. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to look it up and see what the difference is supposed to be. But that's just some of the drills. Then they sent this little toolkit, and I want to say that it shipped really quickly. So they sent one of these little, I call it a drill pen. So you have your single side, and if you want to lay down multiples at the same time. And then you have this little foam cushion on here in case, you know, you get that little owie there, you know, when you're holding something for a long period of time. Not quite sure what that is, but this is your wax for filling up your pen. And then it came with a nice pair of tweezers. They're metal. They're really solid. I'll definitely be able to use these with more than just diamond painting. And then one of the little trays to shake your drills and get them sitting the right side up. So there's that. And they sent me, I am really excited, they sent me, this is kind of like my crystal katana, but it's really pretty. It's got a wax tip on this end, and then I can put some of this wax here on this side and use it there. And it's got all these beautiful white crystals in there. I've bought a couple of these in the past. I haven't used them yet. And you can reform the tips on these. And that's one thing I really like about these. It's a lot like the crystal katana that you guys have seen me use before. And I believe I can go buy new tips so that when this one's worn down, I can just replace it. And it's pink and pretty. We know I like that. Anywho, so we'll just put that back in there so it's nice and protected still. So I thought that was a nice touch that they included that. So let's see if there's an image of the picture that I picked out. This is obviously going to be one that I'm not going to be able to start until this desk is cleared off more. This is I went really big. This is a 50 by 75 inch, I believe. There's no real picture. But you have a larger legend of your numbers and the images used on the background. And this is a nice heavy canvas. I think this is the one, it's a sleeping cat on a bookcase. I'm trying to get this down. It has a really solid, the smaller ones that you guys saw me do before had this really thin plastic cover on it, so it didn't stick very well. This is kind of like, I almost want to call it like repositionable tape cover. You can see the images. I'm going to have to go hunt down my light board. I think that's really going to help me when I start working on this one. But, oh no, this is not the cat. This is the scene on the beach. Let's see if we can, that is what it's eventually going to look like when I am done. I hope that y'all can see that. I have another one coming that is a cat on a bookcase that's sleeping. But I thought this one would be pretty when because I've told y'all that my daughter's room, when everything's all said and done, we're going to be redecorating her room in like a coastal farmhouse theme, and I thought that would be nice to hang in the bedroom. I have a paint by numbers review I'm going to be sharing with y'all from another company, and that one is also going to be a coastal theme. It's a woman kind of like dipping her toes into the water. It's really pretty, but not a lot to this video at this time because I need to get my desk set up. This is much bigger than I thought. I'm hoping I didn't, take a bigger bite than I could handle, but we will see. I have enjoyed the smaller images that I have worked on so far. So this might be one of those that I do in sessions on the Craft With Me video, like the live Craft With Me's. So yeah, they did give me a discount code. It is 1 per person, and I believe it is 10%. It's either 10 or 15% off your purchase, and or maybe it's, I'll have to go into the email. I'm sorry. I'll definitely have to clarify on that. But I will have all that information down in the description. So if you want to go check them out, they have, they have tons of images to choose from. And I gotta say, I am so far very impressed. It's very detailed. It looks like everything is here that you need to complete the image. And this is a big one. So I'm going to have to figure out, you know what, if any of you have done these in the past and you have mounted them, I would love to know how you do that, because I really want to mount and frame them so that they look nice, and, you know, because that's a lot of work to put into a project. But, again, please check out the description for the discount. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will get back to you. And I will be sharing a couple more collabs that I have with some companies here shortly. And not sure which one, but next weekend I think we'll do a craft with me and go from there. So, hope you'll have a wonderful Saturday. Please be on the lookout. There's going to be more videos coming later today and tomorrow. And as always, I love you guys to pieces, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.